Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple minimap in Unity. We are going to customize the bit, so we will change the shape to a circular one. Also we're going to add the border. So I'm going to add it to my FPS game, but you could add it to any one of your games as well. And if you want to check out my series about the FPS game, you can check it out. So I'm going to add the links under the video description. But you could add the minimap to any one of your games. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Basically, I have an FPS game with an FPS controller. We can hit play. As you can see, I can move using the AWSD keys, and I can jump as well. Anyway, we are going to add the minimap to this game. So first of all, we need to create a camera that renders the top view. So under the hierarchy, let's right click and let's use a camera. I'm gonna call it minimap cam. Then let's go ahead and put it under the FPS controller. So I'm gonna drag it in here. And because we have a main camera, make sure to remove the audio listener from the minimap cam. So I'm gonna remove this component. Then let's go ahead and reset the transform. And let's go ahead and move the main camera a little bit to the top. So I'm gonna change the Y position to 20. And let's rotate it by 90 degrees around the X axis so that we can see the top view. Basically, we need to draw what this camera renders into the render texture by setting it over here. But first of all, let's go ahead and create it under the assets. Let's go ahead and right click, create, render texture, and let's call it minimap render texture. Then I'm gonna drag it under this output texture. And finally, we can create a UI image. Then we can use this minimap render texture so that we can see the top view. So let's go ahead and create a raw image using right click, UI, and let's use a raw image. That's because we need to assign the texture. And let's go ahead and call it minimap as well. Then I'm gonna drag in this minimap render texture. And as you can see, we have our minimap. So I'm gonna move it to the top right corner. You could use Shift Alt and then you could select this option. And let's go ahead and change the X position to -50 and the Y position as well. Also, I want to make it a little bit bigger. So let's change the width and the height to 200. And let's hit play. And there you go, we have our minimap. And it renders the top view. And it's actually working. You could change the size of the map. But as you can see, it's a little bit boring with this square shape. So we can change the shape to a circular one. And also we can add a border. And we can change the player indicator or the player arrow. So we need to create a circular shape. So I'm gonna use Photoshop to create the image. But you could use other software like GIMP or whatever. So let's go to File, New. I'm gonna call this one Minimap Mask. Then let's change the width to 200 by 200. And make sure to select the transparent background and let's hit OK. Then I'm gonna draw a simple circle using the Shape tool. So let's right click and select the Ellipse tool. And while holding Shift, we can create a simple circle. I want to remove the stroke as well, so I'm gonna change it to the same fill color. Also, you could center this. So let's go to select all. Then we can center it horizontally and vertically. And let's go ahead and deselect. Now I want to save this image using File, Save As. I'm gonna put it under my desktop. And let's go ahead and save it as a PNG format. And let's hit Save. Now we need to import it into Unity. So let's drag in this image. I'm gonna put it under the assets folder. And let's go ahead and change the type to Sprite 2D and UI. Then hit apply. Now I'm gonna use this one. But first of all, we need to create an image UI element. So under the minimap UI. So let's go ahead and right click UI. And this time we are not going to use the raw image. So we need the image one so that we can add a sprite. And let's call it minimap mask. Then let's change the width and the height to 190 by 190. And then we can add the mask component. But first of all, I want to duplicate this one to create the border. And let's go ahead and call it minimap border. Also make sure to change the width and the height. So I'm gonna change it to 210 by 210. Then let's go ahead and move these out. So I've actually created these images under the minimap to make sure that the position is the same. So I'm gonna select these and let's go ahead and drag them out. And as you can see, we have this white border, but we need to change the shape to a circular one. And to do that, we need to use the mask component. We need to add it to this minimap mask. So let's go over here and add the mask component. Also make sure to change the sprite to this one that we've just created. And to change the shape to the circular one, we need to drag in the minimap under this minimap mask. So I'm gonna drag it in here. And as you can see, we have this circle. Also make sure to change the minimap border image to the same sprite so that we can see this border. You could also change the color to any color you want. And finally, I want to add an arrow for the player. So I'm gonna use Photoshop. So let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm gonna call it arrow. And let's change the width to 50 by 50. Then let's hit OK. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Then let's go ahead and use the pen tool to make a simple shape using the left mouse button. So I'm gonna create this one. And we need to fill it using the fill tool, or we can use a solid color. And you can change this to any color you want. You could also add a border if you want, and so on. So this is going to be the player. I'm gonna save this image. And let's save it as a PNG. And let's hit save. Then we need to import it into Unity. And let's change the type to Sprite2D and UI. Then I'm gonna create another image under this minimap using right click, UI, image, and let's call it player. Then let's go ahead and select the sprite, or we can simply drag it in here. You could also change the size as well. So I'm gonna change it to 50 by 50. And then let's hit play. And there you go, we've created a simple minimap and we've customized it a bit. But you could change the main camera type to an orthographic one. So let's go ahead and select the minimap cam. And let's remove the perspective by changing the projection to orthographic. And you can change the size from here. So you could change this. So I'm gonna change it to 10. Also we can remove the shadows. So we can uncheck the render shadows. And let's hit play again. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question or comment, make sure to write it under the comment section down below. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any one of my next videos. And I will see you in the next one.